Meaning of gastropod.
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 Gastropod. A gastropod is a type of mollusk that includes snails, slugs, and other similar creatures. They are characterized by their single, spiral-shaped shell or, in some cases, their lack of a shell altogether. Gastropods can be found in both marine and terrestrial environments, from deep-sea trenches to forest floors. As a group, they are incredibly diverse, with over 70,000 species identified so far. Despite their diversity, gastropods share certain physical and biological features, including a muscular foot that they use for movement and often a radula, a ribbon-like structure covered in tiny teeth used for feeding.